I can't breathe. I can't do this. What if it's not there? What if I can't see it anymore?
Yeah, I know.
This fishing rod sucks. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is.
What? I'm downstairs. I'm downstairs.
Pick up the magazine. See if it's there.
I'm gonna have to check my room. No, I'm serious. You don't understand. Once I see that, I'm fucking gonna the rest of the day. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's not dead. It isn't dead. It's not dead. Oscar, it's not dead. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?